are back with us on Intense. Let's get into the Intense 5. Sad times for Nick Cannon. He lost his youngest child earlier this week to complications from a brain tumor. Zen was only 5 months old. Really sad. Drizzy Drake say him not in the Grammy thing next year, He withdrew his certified lover boy entries, leaving everyone wondering what's going on. Then, the Recording Academy finally acknowledged the snub The Weeknd got last year, saying that they were surprised too. Really? Really? Anyways. One of the greatest musicians and producers in Jamaica is unfortunately no longer with us. Robbie Shakespeare of Sly and Robbie fame passed away earlier this week. We send our condolences to his family. So, it's official, Tapwa is no longer the coach of the Reggae Boys. The role has been passed on to another former Reggae boy, Paul Hall. He says he is ready for the task, but hey, good luck, coach, and thank you, Tapwa. And finally holding the #1 spot this week, I don't know if it's the pandemic, the curfews, the state of emergency, but something brought Busy Signal and Bounty Killer on a track with Vybz Kartel, is Wagwan. Now, if you know entertainment, you know the energy between the Alliance and Gaza hasn't always been good. But whoa, this is the unity we're talking about. Check out Godzilla and let us know what you think, right? That's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Follow us on IG at TVJ Intense.